Have you or a loved one been involved in a serious truck crash? The aftermath can be overwhelming, dealing with injuries, insurance companies, and lost wages. You're likely searching for answers and, more importantly, solutions. If you're thinking, I need to hire a truck crash lawyer now, you've come to the right place. Truck accidents are not like typical car accidents. They often involve complex regulations, severe injuries, and multiple liable parties. Navigating this legal landscape alone can be incredibly challenging. That's where specialized legal expertise becomes crucial. Why you need a truck crash lawyer. A dedicated truck crash lawyer brings a unique set of skills and knowledge to your case. Here's why having one on your side is essential. Understanding federal and state regulations, the trucking industry is heavily regulated by federal and state laws. These regulations govern everything from driver hours and vehicle maintenance to cargo loading. A truck crash lawyer understands these intricate rules and can identify violations that may have contributed to the accident. This knowledge is vital in building a strong case. Investigating the crash thoroughly. Unlike typical car accidents, truck crashes often require in-depth investigations. Lawyers work with accident reconstruction experts to analyze the scene, examine the vehicle's black box data, electronic control module or ECM, review driver logs, and interview witnesses. This comprehensive investigation uncovers crucial evidence to establish fault. Identifying all liable parties. In a truck accident, the responsible parties can extend beyond the truck driver. They might include the trucking company, the cargo loader, the maintenance company, or even the manufacturer of a defective part. A skilled lawyer will identify all potentially liable parties to maximize your chances of full compensation. Dealing with insurance companies. Insurance companies are businesses focused on minimizing payouts. They may try to pressure you into accepting a low settlement offer. A truck crash lawyer acts as your advocate, protecting your rights and negotiating fiercely on your behalf to ensure you receive fair compensation for your injuries, lost income, pain, and suffering. Building a strong legal case. A truck crash lawyer will meticulously gather evidence, build a compelling legal strategy, and present your case effectively in negotiations or at trial. They understand the legal procedures and know how to counter the defense's arguments. Protecting your rights. Following a truck accident, you may be contacted by insurance adjusters. It's crucial to remember that their priority is not your well-being. A truck crash lawyer will advise you on what to say and do, ensuring you don't inadvertently harm your case. What to look for in a truck crash lawyer. When you decide to hire a truck crash lawyer now, it's important to choose wisely. Look for an attorney who has specific experience with truck accident cases. Not all personal injury lawyers handle truck accident cases. Seek out a lawyer or firm with a proven track record in this specialized area of law. A history of successful settlements and verdicts. Review their past case results to gauge their ability to secure favorable outcomes for their clients. Resources for thorough investigation. Truck accident cases often require significant financial investment for expert witnesses and accident reconstruction. Ensure the lawyer or firm has the resources to conduct a comprehensive investigation. Excellent communication and client service. You need a lawyer who is responsive, keeps you informed about your case, and makes you feel supported during a difficult time. A strong reputation. Check online reviews and ask for references to assess the lawyer's professionalism and client satisfaction. Taking the next step. If you've been injured in a truck crash, time is of the essence. Evidence can disappear, and statutes of limitations may apply, limiting the time you have to file a claim. The sooner you hire a truck crash lawyer now, the sooner they can begin protecting your rights and building your case. Don't face this challenging situation alone. Contact our experienced team of truck crash lawyers today for a free, no-obligation consultation. We understand what you're going through, and we're here to help you navigate the legal process and fight for the justice and compensation you deserve. You can find our contact information below. Take the first step towards recovery and securing your future.